set, go. All right, little Bill, let's start loading them up. Fall is here, which means we've got tons and tons of leaves we got to pick up. And the funny thing is, we only have 4 trees in our yard. Callen's 5, and it's about time I teach him how to do this so then I don't have to. Plus, he mentioned he wanted to do some debunking of a viral video that he saw on TikTok the other day. No school today for Callen. It sounds like it was the end of the first quarter for his school, so he got to spend the day with me. Isn't that cool? That's a pretty nifty trick, huh? Can I help you up there and you jump in and pack it down for me? Put your shovel down, let me show you. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Now just use your hands and jump. Oh, you're done? Alright, break it up again. Nice pile, dude. Whoa!
Sorry.
Mishap. You want to break it closer to the bin, okay? We're going further away. Do that for me? Look at it, it's almost full. What are we gonna do? You almost hit me with that. And I'm fully okay with you guys slamming me in the comment section for using my child's shovel too. The plan was for him to do the whole thing. The viral video that Callen wants to do some debunking on is a video that he saw where somebody stuck a weed whip in the bucket of leaves. And what the thought was is that it's going to break down all those leaves and make it a lot more room. We personally found that it made more of a mess than anything else. Plus, if you're using a bucket that has any size to it, how are you going to do that on the ground? I had to stand in the back of the truck to do that. Got like that? Nice job. Now you're going to get up there. All right, now get in the truck. All right, you prepared? Oh, you jump in there, huh? Now how are you gonna lift that up in there? How are you gonna lift that up in there? As you can see from the upper left corner there, it's chilly outside. And this kid, he wants to be out there and help. Nice. And he's not afraid to jump in and get his hands dirty either. So when you see him in my videos from now on, just know he really does enjoy doing this stuff. Do you want my help or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Scoop it in for me. Nice and easy. Atta boy. Nice job. Whew. Dad, don't you know you can't just leave those all in there? They're going to just blow out as soon as we start driving. Easy, little Bill. You're starting to sound like the social media troll.
It smells like smoke.
Yeah, that's because they're burning that. Just one button, and then this thing just retracts.
One button?
Now in our city, we got a local place that we can take all the leaves and grass to. And as you can see, we weren't the only ones that had the same plan today. I had everything I could do to keep Callen out of this major pile of leaves. He thought it would be so much fun to try to climb it. But I did promise he could do a couple cannonballs, so here we go. Set, go! Nice! That's awesome. How many are in your mouth? Ah!